Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Tapo TP-Link H200 Smart Hub with built-in Chime, a compact little device designed to make your smart home setup feel more connected and effortless. Right away, the hub stands out with its clean, minimal design that blends into your space instead of looking like a random tech box sitting on the wall. Getting started is super simple. You just plug it in, wait for the indicator light, open the Tapo app, and within a few minutes it's connected to your Wi-Fi and ready to manage your other Tapo devices. No confusing steps, no complicated menus, just quick setup that feels beginner-friendly. One of the best features here is the built-in chime. You can assign different alert tones to different sensors, so you instantly know if a door opens or motion is detected without constantly checking your phone. Pairing new accessories is also smooth, and expanding your system feels easy instead of frustrating. Once everything is linked, the automation options really bring value. You can create routines like turning lights on when motion is detected or getting alerts if something happens while you're away. Overall, the Tapo H200 Smart Hub delivers a reliable, simple, and practical smart home experience with clear alerts and dependable performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.